At present, a firm is manufacturing 2000 items. It is estimated that the rate of change of production P with respect to additional number of workers X is given by dP by dx is equal to 100 minus 12 root x. And if the firm employs 25 more workers, then the new level of production of items is. So here, we need to find the value of P. So for that, we consider dP is equal to 100 minus 12 root x dx. So integrating on both the sides, and the limits are here. So total from 2002 there is an increase the rate of change of production P with respect to additional number of workers. So we consider from, let us take 2002 P dP is equal to, so if the firm employs 25 more workers, means like 0 to 25, 100 minus 12 root x dx. So which implies, so 2002 P dP is nothing but P over the limits 2002 P is equal to 100x minus 12 integration of root x is x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 over the limits 0 to 25. So we'll get here P minus 2000 is equal to 100 times of 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 5 to the power of 25 to the power of 3 by 2. So which is equal to P minus 2000 is equal to 2500 minus 25 power 3 by 2 is 5 power 3, 125, 8s are 1000. So P is equal to 2500 minus 1000 is 1500, 1500 plus 2000 is 3500. So we can give the answer, then the new level of production of items is nothing but 3500. That's the answer.